Okay, so we're going to work on the B module again here. The horizontals are all glued in and glued down. If you'll notice right here, this is the one that had me really buffaloed, is this little piece right here that goes on the end of the ramp onto the B2 module. And what I actually had to do was trim this, cut it to a smaller width than what it came as, so that it would fill this gap right in here. And this one we did have to do in two parts, 2 stages. I glued it onto here first and wrapped it with tape to hold it, let that dry. Took the tape off and then put it down here and glued it into the lower half on here to get that nice smooth ramp and transition. So let's get some pins out of here so we can move on with the verticals. Get all these out of here. There's a lot of them. The verticals are very interesting in that they've got a lot to them. As you can see with the holes here, there's going to be a vertical here, there's going to be a vertical here, there's going to be one across here. And so we'll have to bend those to get them in place and work with them a little bit. I have done some pre-bending on a couple pieces just because they needed to be bent and held in place for an extended period of time. At least one of them did anyway. I probably should have done more than one, but that's what we're going to work with right now. So, at least as soon as I get all these extra pins out of here, and I'm going to leave those up there. Those are for the mountains. We're going to deal with those in just a little bit, so we'll leave those up there. So this first one, this is B vertical 2, and it actually goes in upside down from the way the printing and everything is, and it's actually going to go right in here and right along this edge. So I'm going to put it here. Pin in right there to hold that. And this is the piece that I had bent so that it would go around this corner. Several of my pins have glue on them, which makes it harder for them to go through the holes or go through the material. So put that there. Don't want that on to that. I want it on top right there like that. All right. Grab another pin here. Put that in there. And here, and again, I'm trying to make sure that this is nice and flat and smooth. This will come right back up here. And if it proves to be an issue, that just went straight through and didn't touch the other board. If it proves to be an issue, one of the things that I can do, that's better, I can fill in this little gap right here with putty or something, or maybe put a rock there or grass or something like that. So there's horizontal 2 upside down. So this is horizontal 1, and it's actually going to start here and come all the way around and up to here. So what I want to do, I'm going to start here. I need a bend right here, so we'll bend this. Just about right. We'll come over to here. I'm going to bend it right here. It's a little short. I need that come over just a little bit more. But you know, the nice thing about doing this is it doesn't hurt anything. It doesn't hurt the material. It gives a little bit extra character. There we go. That's better. And that's going to come all the way over to right there. Now this part I should have pre-bent before now. So it'll have a good sharp edge on there. I want that to pretty much stay in place on its own as much as it will. There we go. That's it. So that's what we want to look like right there. So let's turn this around here. And we'll start right here. That's got to come inside there. Whoops. Come back here. Put it in there. And then we'll do it around the corner here to hold that in place. And then we'll make the next corner right here. And that is sitting on top of this, which also means it'll weld real easily and make a good strong bond.